BlazeAid was founded in Victoria after the Black Saturday fires of 2009. It works to help farming communities recover after a natural disaster. That could be a flood, that could be a fire, it could be a cyclone, and at times we help people when there's a bad drought. So a lot of my work is setting up new camps and running a camp. BlazeAid can't function without its volunteers. They work every day to help us, but if I haven't got a team of 5 or 10 or 15,000 volunteers behind me, there's not much point in what I do. Some of them are grey nomads, some of them are backpackers, and some of them are professional people, sometimes they're homeless people. But they've all come with a willing heart, and they come in all shapes and sizes, and they are all very welcome. When BlazeAid comes into an area after a natural disaster, our priorities are to get some boundary fencing up first, so we don't want stock wandering, where they may cause traffic accidents, where they may get themselves into bother. The farmer can't afford to lose any more. So we work very hard. Our initial contact is to make their property secure. We look after getting the farmer focused and resuming their life as an operational farm. We are really, really proud of the emotional impact we can have on a community. Yes, we can rebuild fences, and that's probably 50% of what we do, but we can also help rebuild lives, and it helps them recover from the trauma that they've been through. And organisations like Givit, which is supported by Taubmans, makes a difference. It's so important to have someone you can turn to, because they can set us up in the area, so we don't have to wait a week for goods to be delivered. They can come straight into the camp within, well, sometimes it's just hours. It's not just helping BlazeAid, it's predominantly helping the farmers, and we're forever grateful for that support.